Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 GMC Sierra 2500. Stock number is 18F558B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console, when folded up like it is a third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you do have a spray-in bed liner. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise and audio controls are mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.